Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm happy to announce the 3 winners of the ToolkitRC M6D chargers giveaway. Before selecting the 3 winners, I would like to first share with you my new Patreon page. And in case you are not familiar with Patreon, this is a platform that helps supporting content creators. In my Patreon page you can find 4 membership levels. The first one is a reward-free tier at $2 per month. The second tier at $3 per month is going to gain you an automatic entry on every giveaway that I'm going to throw on my YouTube channel, and in case you are going to be the winner, I'm going to personally let you know. The third tier at $6 per month is also going to gain you an automatic giveaways entry, and in addition, I'm going to do my best to find the best coupon codes for you for up to 10 products a month and share with you exclusive deals that I'm going to get directly from product manufacturers and also from other vendors like Banggood. These deals are going to be limited and exclusive only to those who are going to join the third tier, and also the fourth one, which is the same, just at $10 per month, in case you would like to support me even further. Your kind support means a lot to me, as it's going to help me to take my channel to the next level, produce high quality independent content, and also throw more giveaways. So if you can, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Now let's select the 3 winners of the ToolkitRC M6D chargers giveaway, which is kindly sponsored by Banggood. In order to participate in the giveaway, you have to be publicly subscribed to my channel and find 3 numbers in the Runcorn Split 4 versus Cadix Loris side-by-side comparison video. The first number is 1453, and now I'm going to filter the comments on the giveaway video in order to select the first winner. 130 of you found this number, and the first winner who won the ToolkitRC M6D charger is Ganate, who also found the second 2 numbers and thanked me for the chance, so you are welcome. And I'm just going to make sure that Ganante is publicly subscribed to my channel. And there you go, Ganante is publicly subscribed to my channel, so congratulations buddy, you are the first winner. The second number is 2183, 127 of you found this number. And the second winner, based on this number, is KremerFPV, who commented again the 3 numbers. So again, I'm going to make sure that KremerFPV is publicly subscribed to my channel. And KremerFPV is also publicly subscribed to my channel. So congratulations, you are the second winner. The last number is 8984. 123 of you got this number. And the last winner is Jacob Brubaker, who also found all the numbers, and Jacob is also publicly subscribed to my channel, so congratulations Jacob, you are the third winner. Please note that the ToolkitRC M6D chargers are going to be directly sent to the winners by Banggood, who are responsible for this prize, and in case you are one of the winners, please send me an email until the end of this month, as otherwise you won't be able to claim your prize. One more thing before wrapping up this video. I would like to let you know that the ToolkitRC M6 charger just got an update, and now it is using the same voltage sensors of the M6D charger, making it more accurate. The budget-friendly price remained the same, and you can distinguish the new version from the old one by the new packaging and different barcode number. I would like to thank Banggood for sponsoring this giveaway, and by the way, last week I just reached 20k subscribers, so I would like to take this opportunity and thank you guys for your continued support. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.